I mean, you're trying to get on the
You're sad, dude. Yeah, bro, you're racist. Cuz, you're racist.
Oh, you're racist. Say you got drugs.
It's an Aussie thing, bro.
It's Aussie there.
What's up with that? Why do they do that?
Alright.
Because you meant to put it into neutral, remember?
What's neutral? Oh, who's that? Bro, it's like you and me, eh?
Like you should have seen me this morning, boy.
Bro, you should have seen me last night, cuzzy. Oh, man, it was all on. This is me. I loved it. Can we do that more often?
Yeah.
I got 7. Fantastic.
Holy fucking sonic boom. Boom.
I feel like your dad's under there kicking my ass or something.
How many pounds get through here? Can't do it, eh?
No, there you go,
Can't even do it, eh?
I don't think you can do it.
Can do a ski, then, yeah.
The Aussies, eh?
Fucking Aussies,
Okay.
they're all fucking tall.
Hey, is this like a pre-warning before summer nets? This is what summer nets is going to be like.
Go around this dude, fuck all.
Such a dick thing.
Look at kill. Bro, I'm gonna have to wear my muscle shirt. Muscle. I was walking over us.
Whoa, fucking hell. Brent just kicked my ass again.
Pull muscles out.
Oh, I'm going to pull your muscle
Yeah,
out.
pull my muscles out.
Fucking
So I
hell.
can see them. See? Big muscles, eh?
Get that thing out of my face.
$800 worth of methanol. Got the fix. Go down the fucking down the road and then down that little track.
Yeah, get some,
Burn out there.
get some coolant on it.
Hey, it's Steve. Come on, hold this. I'll spread my Steve. He's like, get my pants up. Hey! I know who. Lockie, play by the rules and your dad will give you more leeway down the track, bro.
Did he say not to?
No, I just promise you. I don't want to tell anyone.
Nah, I heard he was scared of Billy getting the keys.
The brakes are good.
Fucking what a car, huh?
It's fucking
Oh,
sick.
sick as fuck.
Fucking just fucking bad.
Fucking hey. Look at that filter sticking out in front of you. It's like
And
massive.
the auto boys, like,
Yeah,
fuck man,
yeah.
this is
Yeah,
the
yeah,
easiest.
yes. So good.
We don't want easy, we want
No
standard.
disrespect, Brent. Like, you know, we love you. You're a good cunt. But all those are gay. Sorry, bro. That's just us. Like, I know you'll show us the way one day. It's alright.
Fucking sick, dude. This is a sick car too, because it's been around for fucking years.
Yeah, yeah. The history of this car.
The hell is just there straight away, like it's instant fucking.
So-
You're gonna manual fucking, this is the easy man.
Who wants easy in life? We like it the hard way.
Hard and fast.
Hard and fast.
Elephant, man.
Hey?
Elephant, man. Big shout out to Omar. Omar. We're going hunting for you. Omar. We're going hunting for you, brother.
Yeah, I've seen one of my t-shirts, my RE t-shirt. Fucking kilo of
And
honey.
those got the road. Got around on the road so you feel a bit nutty. Ah, I want to feel a bit nutty.
Nah.
I want to feel a little bit.
No shirt and shit. No.
Whoa.
They're worried about it being sticky. That's the idea. It's like a sonic boom.
Like jumping out off the top of the balls, got a big
So the only difference in my car is that we can two-step.
Right. And Nelson, can you go? Well, that was a lovely ride, thank you.
I'm half asleep.
Look at your shitty van taking up all the fucking photo room.
No, move the van. Put the van back in there.
The truck's gonna move, mate.
Oh, the truck's coming out. That's why it's parked there. It's parked on the road here. Somewhere. On this corner.
Yeah, right here. Right here.
And just tell these guys the trucks are moving across so they don't have a hernia in us. Hey, we need to go have something to eat while we've got a chance.
You speak American, that's it. You speak English, you speak American.